Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. We're back. Hello, darlings. We're back.
How are you guys out there?
We're on round 4. I think we're 4. All right, y'all will get jumped.
Oh, really?
Wow. Okay. So this one, easy peasy. It's fall time. What gives us fall? Apple cider. What do we like? Mimosas. Put them together. Apple cider mimosa.
Not
okay.
pumpkin spice. No.
This is not a pumpkin spice.
No, ma'am.
This is an apple cider like lovers segment.
No pumpkin. No.
So
Let's get it.
Okay.
let's go through what you need to accomplish this. Whatever glass that you use, you're going to want to rim it with your caramel sauce and a cinnamon sugar rim. Okay, get that love.
Caramel. And just to be on, you can either make your home cinnamon sugar by putting cinnamon and sugar together, or the store also has it together called cinnamon and sugar.
Pre-made.
Up to your choice, but yeah.
But also, like, it's super easy to make, so don't buy this.
Like if you got cinnamon, you got sugar, just put it together.
Put it together.
And then of course, the caramel. We just put some in a bowl, rimmed it, dipped it in the sugar.
Yep.
Exactly.
Already done.
So, for our champagne, we today are using a sparkling brut by the McBride sisters, black owned. Get into it.
That black girl magic.
If you a black girl. And yes, I opened this before. Do you want me to struggle on camera? Nobody has time.
Okay.
You should have saw.
Nobody has time.
What happened?
So listen, ain't no measurements, big dog. I'm gonna be real with you. You just gotta like eyeball this, but also it's champagne, right? So you gotta be a little bit careful. But I like kind of a 2-to-1 champagne ratio. I don't know about y'all.
2 to 1.
Okay.
Good child.
What I'm saying is mostly champagne.
What does the recipe call for? Just so, well, we're gonna put it at the bottom.
We'll put it at the bottom.
Cause mimosa is what you make it.
I actually, legitimately, guys, that's literally what it is. Is like,
That's what you make
good
it.
job in tilting your glass for the bubbly. Good job.
Bubbly.
It's literally what you're comfortable with. Some people would prefer, if you would
Less
pass me the apple
champagne.
cider.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
people are more comfortable with the more juice versus, thank you, champagne. And some people are like me, more booze. Like, because why?
Yeah.
I mean, listen, that was a decent pour. That was a decent pour. And
You're right about that.
So, I'm just gonna give this a little swirly swirl to.
Here you are. To mix it
Wait,
up.
what? Brunch. Here we go.
That's it. I mean,
All right.
Really?
I honestly added a little bit more just because this is technically an apple cider mimosa.
And it's fall.
But I'm gonna be real with you. It needs to be mostly champagne.
But
Okay.
for purposes of myself.
But for purposes of trying it out.
So for purpose of you guys, I did mine this way. The presentation, the rim.
For my system right now, cause I'm
Well, that too.
Don't forget to take the
I
rim.
pull up to the club, VIP.
Gas tank on E.
I like this.
Okay. That's good.
It give me summer. I mean, not summer, fall vibes.
Fall vibes for sure.
I'm gonna make this every day.
Bam.
Yes.
You've been on how many episodes with us right now?
At this
You
point.
talking about you want to make this every day?
Yeah. It's for every time and every day in the fall time.
I'm gonna judge you,
Wow.
but we'll talk about that after the camera.
Judgment free zone, ma'am.
It is though. It is.
Okay, you get me. So this right here, I like it a lot. I like the rim.
It turned her British. She's British now.
Turned me out.
Oh.
Okay, Cheerio.
She said, "Hey, lit. It's a lituation."
Yeah, I like that. Different, but I like it. What do you
All right.
think?
Well, what is your? So you say you like it, but you know we do ratings here. So what are you gonna rate it?
Sorry, guys. My rating would be a. Do it again.
Yeah, you gotta sip it. You gotta understand.
I'll give this a sweet little thing at 8.5.
Okay.
8.5.
I'm done.
Wow.
I guess that's a 10.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait.
I love the fall, don't you? The leaves. It's the season of the Libras.
Yeah. Can I change that to a 10?
So as you can see, glasses are empty.
Rims are half empty.
Don't drink with us, because you can't sit with us.
Listen,
What she said.
who doesn't like a mimosa, right? And then you just make it seasonal.
Yeah.
This
Come
is
on,
actually
it's-
different.
It's
have
a
you ever
win.
heard of an apple cider mimosa?
You
It's
guys
literally,
are having brunches. Make this your.
it's literally a win-win. I mean, you can't
Right.
go wrong. The apple cider brings in that fall vibe. It's also not too sweet, which if you're trying to, like, let's be real, sip, 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 you don't want too many things that are super sweet because that's gonna give you a headache.
Right.
You're not gonna be able to get through your drinks. So
But guys, this brim is everything.
Everything.
Caramel and cinnamon sugar. You cannot go wrong with that.
I don't think I gave it a rating, but I'm gonna be in line with y'all. What y'all?
I was the only one who
You actually?
rated it so
oh,
far.
you were the only one. Okay, Britt.
Sorry,
Well,
I'll turn myself.
Oh my god.
ma'am,
I want to give y'all.
She needs some milk.
we're just gonna give her a moment. While she's getting a moment, I'm gonna give this an 8.5 to a 9. Child, it's a 9. We're just gonna call it a 9.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
because
go with Amber.
again, who doesn't like a mimosa?
Oh, sorry. This is after brunch.
This rim is.
You know what?
The rim is.
You know what?
This is after brunch.
I don't know what is happening here, but I think we all like it. But
we
I think
had
some of
one
us,
too many drinks. Ended up at the embassy.
they might be lushing
Already.
already.
I'm lusting. I'm definitely lusting.
But the point is delicious.
It's delish.
She gonna eat the glass after.
Man, it's plastic. It's plastic. Yeah, this thing is excellent.
We'll check in with her later, but I think overall she enjoys that a lot.
Did you say 10, friend? She said 10.
Okay.
This is 10 for me. 10-10, like my birthday. Hey, I'm looking for y'all. Present. 10-10.
I'm gonna have to make her this nice mimosa.
Libra.
Gang, gang. Wait.
Wait.
Gang.
What?
Too
She
many
don't even
drinks.
know.
She's a
She
Libra.
don't even know the signal.
Y'all, listen, I love y'all so much. I ain't even eat yet. Alright, so
Ditto.
I'm just saying.
Yeah. So the caramel is snagging.
What we're saying is it's delicious, and you should get into it.
Pretty Ricky. Baby, ride with me.
My God.
I don't think that's the note. I don't think that's the note.
Baby.
But irregardless, get into this. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell us
What you think?
what do you think about this.
Oh wait, you know what this drink remind me of? You ever
What?
watch the PJs and that dude say, "Hey y'all, what's going on tonight?" Hey,
Guys, oh my God.
PJs party. All right, I'm sorry, I'm blushing over here.
Hey guys, one more thing. Let us know down below which scene was your favorite.
Yeah,
Which
no.
moment was your favorite moment down below?
Oh, that's a different switch. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let
yeah.
Wait, what she say?
Comment down below
She want to know what your
what
favorite
was your
segment.
favorite segment or your favorite part of this video was. I mean, because we're making all kinds of faces, all type of comments. I just want to know
I'm
what's
not
your
upset
favorite
with that.
down below.
I just want to make sure you ain't trying to take my job, are you?
I am
Oh,
not, man.
Okay, all right,
I am
bet.
not. But I will be back,
I'm just
guys.
kidding.
I
We
will
love
be
her.
back. I will be back, Amber.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Our first guest, she the one who did it.
Number one, baby. What? That ain't work?
We'll be back.
That ain't work? Oh my God.
Like, Scott.
Like, comment, and subscribe.